Hello there everyone and welcome to another newsletter here from Nordic Anglers. My name is Daniel and today I want to tell you about one of the biggest sales we've ever had here at Nordic Anglers. At Nordic Anglers we have more than 10,000 fly tying products in stock, and we have decided to trim our warehouse a bit, so we have put just an insane amount of products on sale. We have more than 2,000 products that has been reduced with more than 20%, some of them even with 70%. This ranges from all sorts of different types of fly tying, from capes like this one from Futurefly that is almost half price in a silver badger version. Really nice cape for all your streamers and salmon flies and coastal sea trout flies as well. Ranging from also some whiting on sale, over to a lot of different flash materials for all your pike flies, popper heads. We've actually set everything, marked everything down from certain different companies. For instance, all the Flyman Fishing Company, all their popper heads, all their tungsten beads for all your tungsten and check nymphs are now on sale. Really cool products are marked quite substantially down. The Flyman things we have reduced by 50%. Also all the shanks from them and some of the shanks from spawn fishing as well. This is for instance a shank selection where you get this small neat box and you get 5 of each of the different sizes, so you can tie all your intruders, all your ragworms, all your different articulated flies, and now you can get a selection like this at a very steep discount. So we have marked down some different Chemco products. Something like this. This is a magnetic net release. Really cool and probably one of the best net releases out there. This has neodymium magnets, so it's really strong, but not so strong that you cannot pull it off. Some of the fly tying tools as well, and of course some of the Chemco fly hooks as well. All of these things are right now at a very good discount. Oh, and also all the products from Lagertun has been reduced in price by 30%. So, and of course Lagertun makes these amazing tinsels, the best quality out there, but also some really nice flat braids and stuff. So basically, fly tying season is upon us, and if you are looking to restock on all the stuff that you normally have and all the stuff you're missing, then you should swing by Nordic Anglers to get some of it, because the discounts we have right now are very big, and there is just loads and loads of it. Also, earlier this year, the distribution from Sage changed hands, and we got our hands on a lot of demo rods, which are basically Sage rods that has been used for fairs and stuff. I have a few of these left at a really big discount. Some of these are marked down by more than 50%. For instance, I have a Sage Maverick in 9 feet 6 weight. This one. This was actually one of the rods I thought would go fastest, but it did. For some reason is still here, but that's just the opportunity for you. We also have some two-handed rods in this demo section. For instance, we have a Sage Sonic here. This is a 6-piece. Whoa. A 6-piece Sage Sonic in 14 feet in a 9 weight, perfect for all your salmon fishing in wherever, Norway or Denmark or Sweden or even the UK for springers. This is marked down below 50% as well. As I said, these rods have been tried, and some of them have maybe fished for a day, but others have basically just been laying around in a showroom for demos and stuff. So they are full functional, and we of course apply full warranty on these rods as well. But they are really marked down just now. I have in particular one of the rods that I really like, and this is actually a completely new rod. This is the Sage Sonic in a 9 feet 6 weight as well. And when the distribution changed hands, they had a lot of these on their hands. So I bought all of them, and I have a few left. Perfect for all your still water fishing, for coastal sea trout, for heavy nymphing or really big dries. 9 feet 6 weight, really nice action on this one, and it's very harmonic, and it just, I've cast this a lot of times, and it really performs well. And again, marked down almost, because this is a new rod, so it's not completely 50%, but almost, I think it's 45 or something like that. So basically, right now at Nordic Anglers, We celebrate that it's fly tying season with just one of the biggest sales we've ever had, and I would urge you, of course, to swing by Nordic Anglers to see this sale with your own eyes. And there is this big sales category where all the different products are placed there, but you can also just search for different items that you want, and there's a big chance that exactly all the stuff you need is on sale right now. So yeah, I think that basically covers it. Big sale, lot of savings. All of this is available at Nordic Anglers, so please swing by there. Otherwise, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and good luck out on the water.